Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Zoho Books on Windows. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store, then selecting it from the results. Once the store opens, move to the search bar at the top and type Zoho. From the search results, look for Zoho Books and click on the app to open its page. On the Zoho Books app page, click the Get button to start the download. Windows will automatically begin downloading and installing the application on your system. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Wait until the installation reaches 100%. After the installation is complete, you can open Zoho Books directly from the Microsoft Store by clicking Open. You can also close the store and search for Zoho Books from the Start menu to launch it later. So that's basically how you can download and install Zoho Books on Windows. That's it for this video. Thanks.